In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and view flagged emails in Outlook. Flagged emails are a simple way to keep important messages on your radar. But the trick is knowing where to find them quickly. I'll walk you through the most reliable ways to view flagged messages in both Classic Outlook and the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, so you can use the method that matches your setup. If you are in Classic Outlook, start in your inbox or any mail folder. On the Home tab, look for the Find group and click Filter Email. From the drop-down, choose Flagged. Outlook will immediately narrow the view to only the messages you flagged, which is great for quick reviews or end-of-day follow-ups. For a more permanent view in Classic Outlook, use a search folder. Go to the Folder tab on the ribbon and select New Search Folder. In the list, choose Mail Flagged for Follow-up. Then click OK. You'll see a new folder appear under Search Folders that automatically compiles every flagged item from across your mailbox. It updates on its own, and it doesn't move or duplicate your messages. It simply shows them in one place whenever you need it. You can also bring flagged messages to the top by sorting. In your message list, click Arranged By, or click the column header area, and choose Flag, Due Date or Flag Status. Sorting by due date groups your follow-ups by when they're due, while Flag Status simply clusters flagged messages together. This is handy if you prefer to keep your usual view but still want flagged emails front and center. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, tap the search icon, the magnifying glass. At the bottom, right below the search bar, tap the flagged filter. Instantly, your view switches to only flagged emails. It's a fast, lightweight way to focus, and when you are done, you can return to your normal view by exiting search. You can also use the To-Do pane in the new Outlook or on the web. First, enable the To-Do icon on the right-hand menu bar. The checkmark inside a circle, click the To-Do icon to open the pane, then choose Flagged Email. This pulls all your flagged messages into a single dedicated view alongside your tasks, making it easy to work through follow-ups without leaving your inbox. With these options, you can filter, gather, or sort flagged emails in the way that best fits your workflow. Thanks for watching.